Welcome back, my dear student. So it's time for us to start adding some more functionality to our slides page, right? So how can we do this? Well, let's go back here and let's see what's going on. Before we do that, on the last lecture, I believe we created the add slides, we completed the add slides functionality, and we set a message here, but we are now really displaying it. So let's go to slides.php and let's go to this H3 here and say, you know what, PHP display message. Let's put our function responsible for displaying those messages to us, right? Semicolon. Let's go ahead and test this out real quick. There we go. All right, that was our last message there, our last upload. Let's do another one real quick. And this one, and I forgot what that one is. I don't know if it's PHP. Let's just put CMS in there. Submit. And not working. Display. Let's do that again. Let's just make sure to save it here. Okay. So let's move this function here to, let's move it inside the form, and we don't have to do that, but let's just see how this works here. Let's put it inside the form, click on it, and let's do it again. I'm just gonna some gibberish stuff and submit. Now it's working. All right, so make sure that this function is actually after the display message. All right, this one. Perfect. So now it's working. So now let's continue with our functions here, and right below this one, I'm just gonna indent this a little bit there. There we go. All right, so we're gonna get current slide in admin. Let's just call this that, just to make it more descriptive. That's what we're gonna be doing in this lecture, by the way, is that we're gonna be getting that current slide that we have in our table, in our home page, so that way we can see. All right, so we're gonna be doing something very similar to this. So I'm just gonna copy that here. Okay, order by slide ID DSC limit 1. Actually, we're gonna be doing the same thing, guys. All right, same thing. Let's just do that while loop, copy it and paste it right there. All right, there is nothing else here that we need other than we are somewhere else in uploads, resources. We just need to, that's it, that's all we need there. Slide active, and I'm just gonna put underscore admin just to differentiate what, you know, but really I really don't need to. You can leave it alone. All right, so let's just call this function from, actually we do need to change this here. We don't need this active stuff. All right, and we need to change this to img responsive. That's a Bootstrap predefined class. It's gonna help us out. Okay, let's copy our function name and let's go to slides.php, and let's replace this with some PHP tags and semicolon. Let's check it out. Enter. Look at that. Beautiful. It's working now, right? Let's just test it out again, and let's just take another file and test. Beautiful. Now, if you don't have these images and you are playing around with some other images, I'm going to include these images right here in this lecture. All right, so I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna include this in the lecture, so that way you have some images to play around with. All right, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, I'm here for you. Take care, and I'll see you in the next lecture.